Live to Washington now, where GOP lawmakers are meeting with the Biden administration. They're trying to find a compromise on a new coronavirus relief package. Skyler Henry reports the counterproposal is much smaller than President Biden's $1.9 trillion plan.
A group of 10 Republican senators is headed to the White House for direct negotiations with President Biden over the size of the next coronavirus relief package.
We hope we finally start getting that bipartisan and with the White House negotiation. So far, we've not received it.
The Republicans have offered a $600 billion package, which is quite a bit less than the $1.9 trillion White House proposal. Key differences include cutting stimulus checks from $1,400 to $1,000 and only sending them to people in lower income brackets.
We are very targeted. We're targeted to the needs of the American people, treating our tax dollars as if there are tax dollars, not just money to spend.
The White House affirmed its position in a statement, saying the need for action is urgent and the scale of what must be done is large.
The risk is not that it is too big, this package. The risk is that it is too small, and that remains his view, and it's one he'll certainly express today.
Democrats say they're prepared to act with or without Republican support.
We need big, bold action, and if we can't move forward with them, we'll have to do it on our own.
Both the White House plan and the GOP counterproposal have set aside $160 billion to increase COVID vaccine distribution, testing, and PPE supplies.
More than 25 million people have now received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine in the United States, and our latest safety data continue to show that vaccines are safe.
CBS News has learned the White House wants FEMA to open 100 new COVID vaccination sites around the country to increase the number of shots each day. And FEMA has asked the Pentagon to have as many as 10,000 soldiers on standby to assist in the effort. Skyler Henry, CBS News, the White House.